2 Russian fighter jets, destroyed without a single missile fired. No airstrike. No cruise missile. Just one saboteur, walking into a heavily guarded Russian airbase 340 kilometers inside Russia and walking out untouched. This is not a movie scene. This happened in December 2025. Ukrainian intelligence has claimed responsibility for one of the most audacious sabotage operations of the war. On the night of December 21st, 2 Su-30SM fighter jets of the Russian Aerospace Forces were set ablaze inside the Lipetsk airfield, western Russia. That airbase lies nearly 200 miles from Ukraine's border, deep inside what Moscow considers safe territory. And yet, it wasn't safe. How the attack happened. According to Ukraine's main Directorate of Intelligence, GUR, this operation was planned for 2 full weeks. Patrol routes. Guard change timings. Blind spots in security. All studied in advance. A single operative, described only as a member of the resistance movement inside Russia, infiltrated the airbase at night. Inside hardened aircraft shelters, 2 of Russia's frontline Su-30SM multi-role fighters were ignited. And then, the saboteur disappeared, without being detected. Damage and footage. Ukrainian intelligence later released video footage. The images show flames erupting near the landing gear of a Su-30SM. Fire spreading toward the engine intake. One aircraft visibly armed with air-to-air missiles. Initial confusion suggested a Su-27 was hit. But Ukraine later confirmed both aircraft were twin-seat Su-30s. Combined estimated value? Up to $100 million. Russian response. Russia's Ministry of Defense has not officially acknowledged the attack. No damage report. No denial. No explanation. But silence itself speaks volumes. Because this wasn't an isolated incident.
Ukraine's sabotage campaign. Since 2022, Ukraine has quietly built a parallel battlefield behind Russian lines. Just days earlier, Ukrainian special forces destroyed Su-27 fighters at Belbek airfield in Crimea using long-range drones. Other recent targets include S-400 radar systems, MiG-31 interceptors, Panzer air defense units, and even a Russian submarine struck by an underwater drone in Novorossiysk. One of the most shocking operations, Operation Spiderweb, saw over 100 FPV drones smuggled deep into Russia and launched simultaneously at 4 major airbases, damaging or destroying dozens of aircraft. Strategic bombers. Surveillance planes. Assets that cannot be quickly replaced. Why this matters? These operations don't win wars overnight. But they force Russia to do something critical. Defend everywhere, all the time. Every destroyed jet means fewer sorties. Every damaged airbase means disrupted operations. And every successful sabotage raises one uncomfortable question for Moscow. If fighters aren't safe 340 kilometers inside Russia, then what is? Ukraine is no longer just fighting at the front lines. It's fighting inside Russia's rear. Using intelligence, local resistance, and precision sabotage. And if this trend continues, the next strike may already be planned. Somewhere even closer than anyone expects.